Grok 3 just got a huge upgrade. Today we're going to cover Grok 3 and it has a new very amazing capability. The new capability is essentially that you can see a preview of what you are creating with it. So let's test it out. I'm going to get started by creating a transformer teaching page. So I'm going to get this prompt and I'm going to give it to Grok. I'm using the think mode so it's able to generate a very high quality response. So let's get ahead and see the result. It starts to think, so that's good, that's nice. And there are two more features that I want to cover in today's video that are absolutely important to know if you're using Grok 3. So while we wait for this, I want to tell you that you can find all of the prompts of today's video, which are highly optimized for you to create websites, games, and also generate other things. You will be able to find them in our web community. It's on the first link down below in the description. Go ahead and join in. It's a completely free community. And here you can find all of my courses completely for free, available over here. From video generation, image, AI coding, deep research, and load more things. Completely free. Let's create an amazing community. Let's talk in there. Let's discuss things. I think it's going to be amazing. It's still thinking actually, which is kind of insane. I firmly didn't expect it to think for so long, but it's actually thinking for quite long. So I have very high expectations of the result. Okay, so we actually have the result right now and we can click on the preview button over here and we'll see that there is some kind of mistake. It says Node.js. Okay, so we're going to ask Grok fix this mistake. Really amazing how it actually got with a mistake. I very rarely see AI models actually making mistakes. So let's wait and see if it can actually fix the mistake and, make it correct. Who knows? Hopefully it will. Also, in all honesty, the code makes no sense at all. Like, I only see some kind of JS elements, which is really strange. Okay, so there is this index HTML, there is all of these things. Yeah, okay, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see the result. Okay, so what we want to do is essentially add this to the HTML. Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay, so right now, I really don't like what I'm getting from Grok. Like, it's not even fixing its own problem, which makes no sense. Like, how hard it is for you to give me the correct code and install the correct environment. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and see the preview. Like, currently, I'm absolutely disappointed. What the fuck is even this thing? Like, oh my god, this is insane. Like, it cannot even create a website. I'm going to give it one more chance without the thinking mode, but after that, I'm like done. Like, come on, guys. Either have a product that is working or just don't put it out. Oh my god, this is so bad. Oh my god, what is it doing? Okay, so it's writing some kind of code. Okay, relax. Let's not freak out. But really, the thinking mode actually not being able to fix this mistake it's pretty insane in all honesty. Like, highly unexpected. Like, I've never seen something so bad in my life for the past 6 months. Like, a little bit disappointing in that. Elon, like, what the fuck are you doing, guys? Okay, yes. Okay, where is the preview? Where is the fucking preview? Is this some kind of joke? What? Come on, man. Why? Why is this happening? Okay, let me try something else. I don't know. Maybe they have done some kind of mistake, but tell me, guys, if you have the same problem as me, let's do an endless Flappy Bird like game with pure JavaScript. Let's do a very simple thing. Like, one JavaScript file, just make an endless game. You're supposedly like, oh my god, it cannot make it. Okay, this I cannot firmly believe what is happening, guys. What is actually this result? This is insane. Like, Elon, what the fuck? Okay, so there is obviously some kind of problem. Okay, let me try with a workspace. This is like a project that you create and essentially this is like these projects. So let's try it out. I'm just going to give it a chance. Like, man, another chance. Maybe you can do it. Okay, so for some reason it shows us the chart of SPX 500. Oh my god, this is going to be, it's going to be so bad. Oh my god, this is, I don't know, it makes no sense. Like, in all honesty, like, I've seen people actually make it work. Why is it not working for me? What kind of upgrade did you do to your system? Oh my god, I cannot believe this thing. I cannot believe this company. Multi-billion-dollar companies pushing out code without the base. Oh my, this is so bad. This is so fucking bad. I cannot believe this. I cannot even believe that this thing actually happened. Alright, so I really want to see if in this case it's going to work. Okay, so for very simple HTML, which is what most YouTubers do, it seems to some kind of, maybe work a little little bit. Like clicking the calculate button is not working. The UI is not very good looking. And of course the calculate is not working because it has an API request using JavaScript. So, okay, I get it that it won't be able to work. But again, you know, in all honesty, I really expected something a little better. Something a little better. Let me give it once again a try without the thinking mode in a workspace to try and create a Flappy Bird. Like, yeah, let's give it one more. Like, I mean, we have to be fair at the end of the day. Like, I want to be fair to these companies and to all of these models because we cover them. Some of you people may select one model against another, and I want to be very, very fair. So we're going to give it another chance. It's really just writing JS code and having like an emulator. Like, it's not that hard. Sorry for the ASMR. Some of you may like. Okay, you know, these guys cannot even create Node.js 1891 something. I don't know. Like, before you push out something, try to at least have the basic. Node.js is one of the most basic, you know, libraries that are used. Try test. It's good to ship fast, but this is so basic. I'm going to ask Grok to fix it. I'm going to give it one more chance. After that, I'm done. I'm not wasting any more of no more of my, like, in all honesty, if it cannot do this, I don't care. I'm not wasting it. But what I will do is I will go to P5.js. I'm going to go to P5.js and I'm going to run it so I can actually see if the code is running. Okay, so let's go to the preview. It's not going to work. I'm quite sure about it. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, you have like this play button. Nice. What can I do with it? Nothing. But whatever. Let's go to this P5.js. Let's play. Okay, you know, it's a very bad game. I'm going to turn the thinking mode on and ask it to make the game better. Just a final chance. Like, I'm not going to waste any more of my time. Like, if they cannot do this simple thing, I don't. Like, I gave it so many chances. Work and it hasn't worked up till now. Let's see. Okay, so it says it enhanced the game and completely didn't care about what I said and wrote HTML. This is really an amazing enhancement. Well done, Grok. Absolutely, you know, you did an amazing job. Well done. I don't know. Can we play the preview in this case? Yeah, it's a model request. Doesn't work. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, lovely. Completely fucked it up. I cannot believe this thing. This is the most badly executed like thing I have tried on AI lately. I don't know what to say, guys. Trying to, you know, copy paste this thing. I'm just going to ignore these. I don't care about these. Let's try and preload. Okay, so this is the game. It's so bad. Nah, I don't like it. I think O4 Mini Gemini did an amazing job on this. Grok 3 has started to, you know, go a little bit, you know, behind. Thank you so much for watching. Again, just want to stress out how important it is for me to see you in my community. Really, guys, I really want to invite you to become part of the community. This is something new that I'm creating and I really want you to be part of this. Already loads of people have joined. Like, we're growing so much. I'm super excited to see all of you guys.